You must be the last person on planet Earth to be spied on, Mr. Upperwood. But seriously, why so much surveillance?
Look at the bright side, Nancy. Picture this. VIP access to a never-ending reality show. And you get paid for watching it. All on taxpayer money. In the name of national security. You get inside scoop on any big shot you like Eleanor Roosevelt, Martin Luther King, Angela Merkel, Antonio Guterres.
And colleagues' secret rendezvous and teens' lovey-dovey chats.
Absolutely. It's the ultimate job for having control over anyone, except for a very few.
Like Mrs. Upperwood.
Like Edward Snowden. Have you wondered how that dude's been doing after all these years?
Surely not enjoying the same level of freedom as Julian Assange does in our free world.
10 years ago, that low-ranking contractor thought he could change the game by leaking our mass surveillance programs. He had his little moments of self-importance. The US passed the Freedom Act, the EU tightened data privacy, the media even glorified them as the Snowden effect.
Well, 10 years on, the game has changed. We've gone from snooping on emails to everything, including private messages.
We are the big brother, posing as the freedom keeper. If only TikTok could be more cooperative on this.
If it dares to rebel, we will send it to Silicon Hell. But you know what still remains the same? We are still eavesdropping on our allies, and such programs get leaked again.
Let's not get too hung up on any recent leak. I mean, with an intelligence workforce of tens of thousands and an annual count of 50 million classified documents, who knows where our files might end up? Perhaps as paper airplanes at someone's home.
And I will be mopping up the mess any time. I mean, someone spilled the beans online this moment. Another will testify in front of the Congress about our secret UFO program the next.
If leaks are inevitable, why not make them useful?
That is very NSA thinking. I mean, no such action.
Listen, let's say if our surveillance on Seoul gets exposed, we just call it a move to protect it against China.
Brilliant. Perhaps our ally would see it as good reason to celebrate our ironclad trust, and they might even serenade us with a heartful rendition of American Pie.
We can even generate leaks as long as they serve our agenda.
That is very CIA thinking. I mean, completely insane assumption.
Let me enlighten you with some examples. Now that we boast strong human intelligence capabilities in China, why don't we become anonymous sources in media and claim China is mass-producing Captain China capable of brand control? Or that China is converting the sun into a solar-powered spy hub? That will secure us a budget so big, it could even eclipse the sun.
It sounds insane, but I will be producing and leaking intelligence. If we don't have to go anonymous, then I will be the next Edward Snowden, racing the front page of The Guardian.
I wish you good luck, Nancy.
Mr. Upperwood, I knew you'd be here.
Well, what's so big?
A big win. We've detected Edward Snowden's.
In Russia?
I mean, 2 of our employees who are ready to defect with valuable secrets in hand.
I didn't know that our insider threat network worked so well, given leaks have made my life like hell.
No, it's a whole new story. I've authorized their arrest, and here are some tasty snippets of their conversation.
Leaking of mass surveillance programs. Leaks are inevitable. The next Edward Snowden, gracing the front page of The Guardian.
Exactly. It's time to teach him a lesson.
Maybe it's time to give myself a Huawei phone.
That's what makes our job second to none. Anywhere, for anyone.